Now, Kenya plans to reverse land degradation and restore soil health to at least 30% by 2034. The Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization says it will embark on an 8-month digital soil mapping exercise across 45 counties to help in the process. KALRO Director Environment David Kamau says the data will be used to inform the type of fertilizer to be applied to boost crop yield to address soil degradation in the country.
The government has been implementing fertilizer subsidy programs to increase fertilizer use and boost productivity. However, the continuous use of fertilizers has not resulted in high soil fertility in the country, affecting production.
Statistics are now showing around 30 to 35% of nutrients that are actually lost, and this is affecting the small-scale farmer who is now not able to build their production capacity by depending on the soil for production. So going forward, we are looking at encouraging, for example, the small-scale farmers to adopt conservation agriculture practices. These are practices that actually rebuild the soil.
Agronomists say soil health is critical as nutrient replenishment is necessary for sustainable increase in yields.
And so we are encouraging research institutions to work with small-scale farmers to use, for example, digital approaches to testing, for example, remote sensing, so that we're able to actually know which particular nutrient is lacking, not just blanket application of nitrogen, phosphates, and etc.
To reverse the worsening soil fertility in Kenya, the Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization is going to be rolling out an 8-month soil mapping exercise in 45 counties in a bid to restore soil health.
The digital mapping is in 45 counties, just less Nairobi and Mombasa. So it will, we've already rolled it out. We are doing the pilot phase in 2 counties, Kajiado and Kiambu, and chosen specifically for good reasons, Kiambu being an agricultural and Kajiado being a grazing rangelands and all that. And we hope that within the next 1 month the pilot will be over and we roll out.
Fertilizer manufacturers have also been urged to exploit the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement to purchase critical raw material for the production of affordable fertilizers.
We believe our member states, our technical partners, our governments will be able to make use of such opportunities so that, let's say there's a particular ingredient in Uganda, it can be used in Kenya because of the free movement, because why should we all produce the same thing?
During the Nairobi Declaration on Fertilizer and Soil Health and the Soil Initiative for Africa framework, members of the Intergovernmental Agency on Development, IGAD, committed to triple domestic production and distribution of certified quality organic and inorganic fertilizers by 2034.
For us, as a country, we wish to approach it from all angles. So whether we are approaching it from the East African community that we have also an agreement with, or from IGAD member states, I think it will still be okay.
Regina Manyara reporting for KBC Channel 1.